Hey, this is Eileen DeCava from Flooded Third Court. The street is completely flooded here. The water have started to go up towards my yard. And this is Citadel sending water to Third Court through the grids that are supposed to catch the water supposedly before it gets to Third Court. It actually is helping flood the street. Okay, as you can see, I cannot go any further or else I'm going to have water in my boots. I have to kind of stay close to edges and sides of the street to avoid having the water in my boots. This is my yard. You can see the water is now up to here. All right, it has, and climbing fast.